In a world that never stops moving, the small cottage is a sanctuary, a calm escape from daily life. Its walls are simple, yet peace is welcome in every nook and cranny. The allure of a cottage is its capacity to draw you in and provide a feeling of coziness and inclusion that larger settings frequently lack. These tiny dwellings are designed to nurture as well as to shelter, preserving memories and small pleasures within their walls. Consider the lovely morning light pouring through little windows, illuminating cherished furniture and comfortable alcoves with a golden glow. Every room in the house tells a narrative through careful details, every decision a brushstroke in a picture of tranquil life. And the tiny kitchen hums with the warmth of a freshly brewed cup of coffee. A cottage provides everything in simple plenty, whether you're looking for a place to relax, create, or just breathe. You are free to slow down and enjoy the little things in life in this haven.